Well, after about 10 minutes looking for a parking place, we finally got one right here at TU. Now to the terminal. Let's see how long this walk is. They just built a new underground walkway underneath the old parking lot. I'll show you that. And then under the subway too. That just is, I think about another 6 months maybe, we'll start operation here to Dulles Airport. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. While I'm at Dulles Airport, we're gonna take a flight out to Las Vegas, but first we're gonna see how long it takes to get from the parking lot over to the terminal. We're gonna have to walk to the elevator, then take an escalator, then moving sidewalks, and more elevators, more escalators, a tram, more walking, and we won't do it in real time. We'll do it in little bits and pieces. It's probably about 15 to 20 minutes, so here we go. There's the new metro subway system here at Dulles Airport that'll eventually open in about 6 months or so. But we're gonna walk underground all the way over there to the terminal. Oh, that was quick. Number 1, shuttle to terminal, ramp to terminal walkway.
Level 1, going up.
Oh, stay to your right after you get off, and then got my finger in the way, down the elevator here. Walkway to terminal. You are parked in garage number 1. Oh, this looks like a very long walk. I don't think we'll film all of it. Some vending machines over here. And here's where the subway is going to be. Really nice facilities they have here, brand new. This will be very sweet, especially coming in from Reagan Airport. Oh, I'm glad there's a walkway. This is pretty nice.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If you just arrived on a United Airlines flight from Houston, your bags are on carousel 3. Due to congestion on the baggage carousel, some bags have already been removed from the carousel and can be found next to carousel 3. and may be found next to the carousel. For all United and United Express flights, if you have outsized or oversized items such as golf clubs, skis, car seats, strollers,
We got like a fork in the road here, but discover your new Starbucks favorite vending machine there. So let's see here, we're on American Airlines, and if you head to the left down that way, Air Canada, Alaska, ANA, Australian, Avianca, Frontier, Iceland Air, Korean Air, Lufthansa, ASA, Portugal, Turkish, and United. Then we're gonna go to the right here. American, British Airways, Egypt Air, Emirates, Etihad, Qatar, Southwest, Virgin. A whole bunch of airlines going this way. Just to name a few. A lot of airlines from all over the world come in here now. All right, we're almost to the main terminal here. Elevator's off to the right. Kind of keep to the left here. Sanitize for your safety. Up the escalator. Not too bad of a walk from the parking lot. I'm gonna say maybe from where my car was to this point, I'm not sure, it might have been 8 or 9 minutes. Of course, we're not still at the terminal yet. I think we're down here where arrivals. Yeah, to the right here is where all the taxi cabs and shuttle buses are at. So you make a left. Well, they got a place here for COVID testing. COVID testing available to the right if you need that. Baggage claim. Up another escalator. We already have both our shots. I'm gonna say maybe 15-minute tops to get to the ticket counter. Always loved this airport, Dulles Airport. All right, now we go through TSA, and I think we take a train to the Midfield Terminal. Well, we're going to B, so I guess West Security Checkpoint. Only passengers with boarding passes beyond this point. Security screening down here. escalators, elevators, walkways. Go through TSA, then we take a tram. All right, we're gonna have to cut this camera off here because we're going through TSA and no photographs allowed. So we'll catch you on the other side of TSA. All right, made it through TSA with no problems. Wasn't too bad of a line. Now down to gates B, and we're gonna take the tram.
Please stand clear of the doors. The train is arriving. Doors here for ID games. Doors here for ID games. All signs for baggage, planes, ground transportation, and connections to gate B.
Hey, it's a long walk from the terminal.
Please stand clear of the doors. The doors are about to close. Please stand clear of the doors. The doors are about to close. Please hold on. The train is departing. Next stop, gate. Please hold on. The train is departing. Next stop, gate. This is the last stop. Before all passengers please exit. Make sure you have all your personal belongings and lockers set. Do not hold. The last stop. Make sure you have all your personal belongings and lockers set. Please stand clear of the doors. The doors are about to close. Please stand clear of the doors. The train is going out for our house. Please do not hold.
Almost there to the gate. Double check our flight here into Charlotte. 5582 B73 on time. Looks like a lot of the shops are reopened. The last time I was here, there were no shops open. The place was like a ghost town. For those of you who've never seen the Dulles Airport terminal, there you go. And it is a historical landmark. And we made it down to gate B73, and there's our chariot to Charlotte, North Carolina. So from the parking lot, down the elevator, escalators, walkways, moving walkways, stairs, TSA, tram, and then walking over to B73 without a few stops. So I'm going to say about 25 minutes tops from the parking lot. Well, that's going to do it for that little excursion from the parking lot to gate B73 here at Dulles Airport. And on that note, traveler out.